Laibag asigi President Draupadi Murmu ngasi Imphal gi City Convention Center da miyamna harau tayamna okre loinana Manipur gi irang ngasi India laingakna yamna lumna lawbaga loinana state asida mahausagum amaga nungsi chanaba puraknaba amadi thong manana chawkhatnaba India laingakna hotnari haina President Draupadi Murmu na phongdokre. Manipur laingakna sinduna pangthokhiba civic reception gi thauram aduda President Murmu na lupa crore chani henbagi tongan ba infrastructure taragani thoi su sangaki loinana lupa crore lising amaga chamaga marfu gi tongan ba project taraga mari shu urepo yung tamki mahakna sangaki ba project taraga mari adugi manungda district mari gi agriculture sector gi infrastructure development Hill Tribal Chief Guest House, Tangkul Headman Guest House, Power Substation, Water Supply Scheme, Education amasung Health Kamari lainaba infrastructure sing yauri. Thauram aduda miyamgi mafamda wa ngangbada President na makha taraduna Manipur gi irang asina maram oiduna miyamna thengnariba awaba khangi. Laibak thiba thodok asigi warushin puthoktuna miyamgi punshi mahing hena nungainaba laingakna kanna hotnari. Irang asina maram oiduna mayum makai thadok relief camp da lairiba IDP singasu mahakna unaduna wari sanagani haina phongdoki. Loinana Manipur gi nupi singna nupi lal da lawkiba thodangbu ikai khumnaba utpa oina mahakna hayeng nupi lal numita saruk yagani. Malem dama tangairaba Manipur gi loktak pat ki fazabasu President na singtharaduna Manipur gi modern polo haudokhibagi wari amadi kumja lising amaga chamapan nifuga marida moirangda Indian National Army gi flag chingkhatkibagi wari nauhaunana ningsingki.
I am aware of the pain that the people of Manipur have gone through following the unfortunate violence. I want to assure you that taking care of the concerns of the people of Manipur is highest priority for us. My government stands with every affected family. The Indian government remains fully committed to strengthening harmony, ensuring security and supporting Manipur in its journey towards stability and prosperity. The government is also committed to promote equitable development across the state and will ensure that the fruits of development and progress reach each and every corner of the state. The people of Manipur are talented and hardworking. I am sure that the people from the valley and the hills will remain together with renewed harmony and take the state to great heights of prosperity and happiness. I urge the people of Manipur to continue supporting measures for harmony and development. Let us together strengthen Manipur as a state where every child feels safe, every woman feels empowered, every community feels included, and every citizen moves ahead towards a bright future.
Boycott, total shutdown amadi general strike marakta laibag asigi President Draupadi Murmu state asigi numin ini khongchetta Imphal da ngasi numit yungba pung amakhara helakpa matamda thongki. Mahaki khongchet manungda hayeng pangthokadawriba nupilal ningsing thauramda saruk yaduna nupilal ningsing thauramda saruk yaba laibag asigi ahanba President su oiragani. President Murmu na Imphal International Airport ta akhanaba flight amada thungbaga Governor Ajay Kumar Bala amadi Chief Secretary Punit Kumar Goyal yauna laingaki official singna taram noki. Airport adumaktada President asina laibag asigi firalda salute PK loinana Manipur Police ki nupi battalion na military honor PK. Nubi police officer amana luchingba guard of honor adu President Draupadi na yangshinki airport tagi log bhavan da changlaba matung mapal kangjayibung da chatuna nupagi polo team na yalhungai dagi sanaduna laklaba pana khaidoktuna sanaba sagol kangjay amasung nubi gi team na sanaba modern polo exhibition match midyang taki. Hayengi numita President Draupadi Murmu na nupila ningsing thauramda saruk yaramlaba matung Sanapati da chatuna IDP singa unabaga loinana Sanapati headquarter da laingaki district official singa unaduna chawkhat khongthang amadi hiram kayagi matangda wari watai shanagani. Tungda President Draupadi Delhi gidamak Imphal thadokani.